IWF Atlanta 2024. This is a little vignette of some of the experiences my wife and I had there. It was her first time, and we got so busy we didn't really have a chance to make a lot of videos. So we wanted to put something together just to kind of share the experience with everybody. Um, Not my first IWF. I've been going for about 10 years. So this was me at the Solberg's bench. I've been a fan of Solberg's and used one of their benches for several years now. They're an amazing company. They've become friends. We even went out to dinner with some people and had a really great time. So I popped by the booth, got me a cool hat, checked out the new stuff. This is me and my wife Chris at the Fish booth. If you're unaware of Fish drill bits and bit accessories, you are missing out. They're the best in the business. They are the best drill bits and Forstner bits I've ever used. It's not even close. They're sharper, faster, just better quality than anything I've used. They make bits for a lot of companies too, including the U.S. Olympic team, ski team. And then I did a lot of promo work for the Woodworking Network, shooting promos for companies. SCM was a really cool company. I got to meet the VP of Operations, I do believe, and I was also pleasure to meet the new CEO. And we were talking about a lot of machines here. They've got their whole product line is ranging from mass manufacturing to small shops like mine. It was really fun shooting that. We were there for a while. It's just their operation is so expansive and impressive. I can't say enough. Matter of fact, this is one of the things we were talking about, process and workflow, and talking about how everything is laid out so just smart. All of their machines are now connecting to the internet to where they are monitoring stuff. It's unbelievable. This was another shoot. We were the Italian company that was quicker. But good. It was a good shoot. Nice guys, really, really nice products. But I can't get away from this. This was my love affair of the show. That joiner is stunning. It is perfect. I looked that thing over. I think I walked by it about 10 times and just kind of drooled. That was, it kept just calling to me. Looked like an aircraft carrier out of the Royal Air Force. Absolutely beautiful machine. Hopefully one day. There was another shot. We did promo work with Original Saw, and that was a lot of fun. I've known Dave right there in the shot with me. I've known him for quite some time. They make some of the nicest radial arm saws in the industry. They're all American made. The parts and stuff are all local or localized, like within country. Great guys. This was one of the coolest things, was seeing the new unveiling of the D6 that Fuji made. This is their grand unveiling of it. It's a 6-stage turbine spray system, HVLP. And I'm excited about this, truly, for me. This basically to allow you to shoot finishes and stuff that are thicker without having to thin it. So that's a big one. Less dry time, less work time, less chemical time. Just really excited about that unit. But equally as important to me at IWF was the return of Jim Larin to Fuji. This is a good friend of mine. He decided to hop on his little chariot and ride on back to the industry. He's now working with Fuji again. I've known Jim for a long time. He is a huge asset to that company. He is incredibly knowledgeable about the products. He's a dear friend. And it was just great to be able to catch up with him. It's been a couple years. We've had lots of fun dinners and stuff over time. And it's one of the things I love about IWF. I get to reconnect with some people in my industry that I care about. I've been doing this a long time. And that it's a lot more about relationships than it is machines, in some visits. And this was one of those where I was able to reconnect. All right, so I also was a featured speaker or seminar speaker for IWF. And if you're into woodworking, then it was probably pretty interesting. If you're not, I doubt you would have sat through it. But it was good, actually. I enjoyed it. I've been doing a lot more of this in the last few years, speaking on topics, and people were buying tickets. It's crazy. Also went to Sugatsune and looked at their hardware because I love them. They have some new brass stuff that is gorgeous. I mean, I look forward to working these into some of my new designs. In person, those are stunning. But as always, they just have an amazing amount of choices. The quality is always high end, a lot of stainless steel. Anyway, that was IWF 2024. Next year, or in Vegas probably next year, we'll try and do a little better job of getting some live action stuff. We were just so busy. Anyway, yeah, tune in for more.